everyone, it's Josette here filling in for Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Neo polar bear. And in this case I created a polar bear and a cute little brown bear. And I stuck them on a Gable box. So there is a video already showing how to assemble the box. This is the die here. So I will put the link in the description box below and then you can watch that. But today we're going to do the polar bear. And I will show how to create this one. So actually the brown bear. So this is the die set. The die set comes with the bear. And then it also comes with a little fish and a hat. Like this. So here I use the hat and a little fish. And for this one I used a little heart that I had. And it's from the summer drink die sets. So if you have a little heart or anything that you want to put in his hands, that would be really cute. So I cut all my pieces here already. I used the clear double-sided adhesive and I stick it on the back of the white soft finish cardstock. So it makes it easier to assemble. So first I'm going to color the body of the bear, and I'm using the Tea-Dye Distress ink. So I just make circular motions. And then to add a bit more dark to it, I use the Vintage Photo just to make his body a little bit darker. There you go. And I would do the same for the face of the bear and for the arms as well. Two arms, and then for the overlay of the feet. So I'll just color those. Sometimes I like to peel off the adhesive and just stick the little feet on top of my craft mat, so it's easier to color. Okay, and then for the little mouth of the bear, I used only the tea dye. And then the same for the ears. Here they're the inside of the ears. They're very small, so again it's easier if you just peel off, well, if you get it to peel off, just the backing of the adhesive, and then I peel it on my mat here. And then it's easier to color. And then the solid part of the feet I color with the Vintage Photo. So it is a little bit darker. And then for the mouth of the bear, or the nose part, there is a little embossed line for the mouth, you can see it on the die here. There's a little mouth. So I'm using a very fine black marker, fine pointed marker, and I just follow the line. It's very thin. There you go. And then for the nose and the eyes, I use a thicker marker and I just color the eyes black. and then the nose as well. So once all your pieces have dried, you can assemble the bear. Place the head on the body. Then I take my tweezers. Oh. I'm going to add the solid part of the feet. It goes right here. And it's easy with the adhesive, you just stick it on there. Now the overlays, just make sure that you poke out the little pieces first. And the other one. There you go. And now the eyes, I just place, and there's an embossing line on the head as well for the eyes. So I just use the same placement for the eyes there. And then the nose part, the nose and mouth part of the bear. I stick it here. And then the little black nose. Poke out the little oval. And that. And then the bear has a nose. So now you can either, in this case, I really like to have the little hearts there. Or you can put, for a polar bear, if you have a little snowflake, or like it comes with a fish, that's really nice too. Now this is, I'll place the arms over top. Oh, kind of want my heart sticking out a little bit. So I'll place the one paw underneath and the one over top. And then lastly, we have the inside of the ears. Oh, there we go. Oh, and my bear is stuck on my mat. But here we go. So it's easy to adhere to a card or to the boxes like I did here. It's very fun. You can put some chocolates in there, or in this one I think the paper is really fun, like with trail mix or something. Very versatile, lots of options. So I hope you enjoy the new polar bear die set, and thank you for watching, and I've suggested a couple other videos as well that I think you will enjoy.